This is your CRM right here where you can pretty much follow up with your leads, drag and drop, view all their information, call them. This actually
Mm,
works as a dialer as well. So let's say you hire a virtual assistant and all she does is just call people. And when she
mm,
calls somebody, she can actually connect them to you from here. Just it
okay.
says connect call, and then she can pick your name and connect it to you
Mm-hmm.
right away. And if the deal is closed, you just move it from here to here, and it will kind of count it as a closed deal.
As a closed deal.
If you want to send
Okay.
emails, text messages, and voicemail drops, you can do it from here. You can send them a text, then an email, and then a day later, text and an email, and then a day
Mm,
later, make an automated call, and then make a voicemail drop on them, all in the same kind of campaign, you know?
yeah, this is
And then
kind of it's a nice. So you can set up your basically follow up however you want, whether it's text, email, or calls. That's basically what you do.
it's so seamless. I mean, I set up 2 accounts per day, and I do it just while eating, drinking my coffee, just chilling, hanging out here at
Yeah.
home, So it's
Yeah.
so easy.